I wanna tell you my story, how I replaced my gaming addiction with video editing. I was addicted to video games for many years, starting from Wii games, moving to the mobile games and finally to the computer games. At school, I was rarely thinking anything else than video games, and when I got home, I played Counter-Strike rest of the day, grinding random achievements on random games just for the sake of being able to show them off in my Steam profile. But then I realized something, which allowed me to change all of this. A year ago, I started to think leaving video games behind, and then it clicked in my mind. Where am I? What the fuck? The biggest reason I played video games was actually the desire to progress and achieve. That's the exact same reason I played Counter-Strike for 1600 hours. And if you wonder how I got into editing, I did gaming videos for 6 years. Another thing is that editing provides good creative outlet for self-expression. Before switching fully into editing, I had used all the creativity I had in video games. Who knows how many hours I've spent building Minecraft bases. But after I found the area in editing that I loved, I realized that I could do it for multiple hours in a row, losing track of time just like with video games, but not ever feeling guilty after I stop. Editing also gives me a feeling of community when I can share my knowledge in the form of video tutorials, not forgetting all the potential career opportunities it offers. So how you should approach switching from gaming to editing? You need to find the kind of editing you enjoy the most, the things you wanna edit. For example, are you interested more in movie editing, adding realistic elements to real-life footage? Or is it YouTube documentaries and video essays? Explore and see what clicks with you. Then you can start creating your own stuff. For YouTube documentaries, you can write your own 30-second script about some intriguing topic and then do the editing for it. Or you can start creating videos about some topic, do the editing and upload them to YouTube. There are many ways to go. For me, games aren't more fun than editing, and if you're watching this, I'd say that probably isn't any different with you. You just need to find the area of editing that is right for you. Then it feels just like it is a video game, developing your skills, learning new stuff and progressing in your work. And the feeling you get after finishing a project or piece of animation is way more fulfilling than getting a new rank in CSGO.